You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. A name of Arabic origin, meaning God has heard. The Arabic pronunciation and then how it's said in English. Generally in Arabic it's pronounced as Ismail, Ismail, or Ismail. Therefore in English, Ismail, Ismail. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments. Is it any different from what you've heard here? Let us know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.